are at the beautiful Holiday Inn Club Vacations here at Cape Canaveral, Florida. And it is stunning. They have a lazy river, they have pools, volleyball, and a boardwalk to the beach. Also, they have a bar, not swim up, but it is a bar. So we can't wait for you guys to see Holiday Inn Club, Cape Canaveral.
Well, I got the margarita, and we also ordered a basket of nachos with chicken on them. The drink's really good, it's strong, the way I like it. And we'll see about the nachos in just a minute.
At Cape Canaveral Resort, Holiday Inn Club Resort, Cape Canaveral, Florida, and this is 1211A. It is a 1-bedroom suite, and let's show you around. It is a lock-off. So this is the 1-bedroom. It has 2 queen beds and pretty nice television. We did use our points for this, and we actually this stay was free because we had 2 free stays that we could use for any period any time in this 12-month period. So we had this to do our here's extra bedding. We had this to do our free stay with. Ooh, I can turn on the light. It's bright light. And yeah, nice little walk-in shower. And we have a washer and dryer, and they give you some Tide. They give you 3 boxes of Tide. And very nice kitchen, fully stocked. There's pans, pots, plates, cups. We've got a very nice living room. And then this is what I think is super cool is, oh, it says AC turns off when doors are left open. Uh-oh, can we go out here? How do we unlock it?
So we're going to take you over for a ride through the resort of Holiday Inn Club Vacations Cape Canaveral. As you can see, there is a Carnival ship over there. It is closest to the Carnival port if you're wondering about parking purposes. If you are cruising with Disney or Royal Caribbean, you will or would have to drive to those ports. They are right down the road, but it's still a pretty good little drive, and there's no way that you could walk that. But honestly, the Carnival port could be walkable. So it is a really beautiful resort. It's very large. I do like that they have this tram system. There's the main building in the front that we were staying at with the water park and all of that, the lazy river and stuff behind it. And then you have kind of like a little lake area, and then they take you all the way to the back where there is a beach boardwalk, and also some of the like signature collection properties and some of the properties that have a beachfront view. I will say, for the time of the year that we went, I honestly expected the water to be a little bit prettier in Port Canaveral, but I don't know if it's just like this is like the beach side, like Atlantic Ocean side. I don't know if it's because it's like an inlet as to why it wasn't that pretty of water, but they also had like some type of dredger out there, which you may be able to see. But we're gonna take you down to the ocean, and as soon as we hop off of our tram. Guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it with the Insta360 X5 that I have now. More videos to come with great footage, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to our subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. We're going to bring you more videos like this one. Comment if you want to. If you have questions about the port, we did sail on Royal Caribbean. And also share with your friends. Tap that notification bell so you can see more Tap That Travels. We love you. Bye for now.